Perfect. Perfect.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Matey and today I've got another unboxing video for you. I didn't want to upload 2 unboxing videos in a row, but these just happened to release on Friday and they arrived on Saturday. So I'm really excited to share them with you. Of course, as always, I've already opened them up and tried them on because I hadn't had time to film until now. So we've got the Nike Air Max 90 Velvet Brown / Cuban link. For some reason these have 2 names. On Nike's website they're called Velvet Brown and then other places have them up as Cuban link. These were a women's exclusive, although I think they did come in sizes up to a 9.5. They're so nice! So I won these from Size Launches raffle and they were £125, which I think is a really good price for them. Most luxury MX90s are around this price anyway. For example, I have these brown corduroy ones, which I bought a couple of years ago, and the retail price on these was £120. I did manage to get them for £89 though, because they were on sale. But yeah, for like the extra £5, if we're talking about real retail price, these I think are way more worth it. I mean, not only do you have the chain as well, but also just the colourway is so unique. And really different, and these I think are more of a wintry autumn shoe because they've got the corduroy, whereas these I'll definitely be wearing all year round, and they're also more wearable because they've got all the different colours rather than just brown and white. So for the 30th anniversary this year they have brought out a lot of nice Nike MX90s, for example loads of the different duck camo colourways, as well as the most recent jewelled home and away, and these are also coming as a 95. So if you're not keen on the MX90 but you really like the MX95 and you really like this colourway, they are pretty much exactly the same, just as a 95 with the chain as well. So those are coming out on the 26th. Ends raffle for those is already open, as well as probably a few others, and you can also turn your notifications on the Sneakers app, so I'll put some links in the description for you. But if you're more interested in these, well, let me tell you about them. So in terms of the colourway itself, it just reminds me of a Neapolitan ice cream. I was like, oh, they just look like a tasty dessert. I just want to eat them up. The construction of the shoe, they have used mesh and premium quality leathers and suede, as always with Nike's trainers. So you have the Breathable Mesh Toe Box, which is in this greyish beige, which also matches the laces and the lining. Really nice neutral colour. And then you have the touch of suede above the toe in this beige colour. Then you have the yellow mesh tongue, which feels wider than other MX90s, or something about this upper feels wider. When I compare it to my other MX90s, it just looks slightly different. I don't know whether it's just the way that they've done the laces, because obviously on these I'll lace them in front so I can do them up a bit tighter, whereas these are more of a looser fit. And then you have the creamy yellow perforated leather, which goes around the heel, and the badge on the tongue is in the same creamy perforated leather with the yellow branding, which matches the yellow swoosh on the inside. Then you also have the pink smooth leather swoosh on the outside, which is layered over the beige, slightly more textured leather. And then you have the chocolatey brown suede mudguard, which blends in really nicely with the midsole. And of course the iconic exposed air bubble, which is in this sort of translucent pink, which matches the swoosh. It looks so good, I love it. I just love that little pop of pink, it's really cute. And then you have the gum outsole, which matches the gum heel tab in that same brown. I really like how everything on this shoe is different, even down to the panels around the eyelets. You have the pale yellow and then the like beigey yellow, and you have this sort of mustardy brown leather on the inside instead of that same beige leather. I love them, they're so unique. And of course finally you have the main event, the Cuban chain in the silver and gold with the little gold swoosh, which I love, it's so cute, oh my god. And I'm pretty sure you can take this off and wear it as an anklet as well. I mean, of course you can take it off, so if you didn't want the chain on there, they look just as good without, as you'll see on the other shoe. So you do only get one chain. And yeah, I'm pretty sure you can wear it as an anklet, but I haven't actually tried yet. So keep watching to see the try on at the end of the video and I'll see if you can do that, I'll show it. And this is definitely what drew me to the shoe. Like, I love the colorway itself. I think it's so unique, and there's so many colors in this shoe that I wear a lot, and so it will go with a lot of my wardrobe. But that chain is definitely what drew my eye to them, because it really reminds me of the CDG Shocks, which I really wanted but couldn't get my hands on. Ended up just getting regular Shocks, but now I have these. So these are still in stock on the Sneakers app, Size and Foot Patrol, which to me is crazy. I don't understand how these are sitting. I feel like in general MX90s are sitting a lot recently. There have been so many nice pairs of MX90s, and like ones that are even cheaper than these, and they just sit and they end up going into sale, and I don't get it. I don't understand how this shoe is so underrated. I love them. I think Air Force Ones have really overtaken this year and just become the trendy Nike trainer. Like, you can't even get just a plain white pair at the moment. They're always out of stock. But I think MX90s are so underrated. This was definitely the silhouette that really got me into sneakers. They're also really comfortable to wear. Like, the more luxury MX90s are really comfortable. So when I was younger and first getting into sneakers, I would get the junior ones, and the women's more luxury ones are really cushiony, so they're so comfortable, and they go with so much as well. Like, these with dresses and skirts as well, looks really cute. I think these were well worth the money. I think I'll be wearing them a lot, and I'll be wearing them all year round. They'll go with so much stuff in my wardrobe because I love wearing beiges and yellows and browns, and I do have a bit of pink as well. So, and like I said, they're super comfortable, so that's just a big plus. I don't wear anything that isn't comfortable on my feet. So yeah, I think these are really worth it, and they're even better in person than in photos. So if you're looking at the photos and you're like, oh, those are really nice, trust me, they're even better when you open up that box. I was so taken aback by them. I opened up the box and I just handed the box to my boyfriend. I was like, that's so nice, look, that's so nice. So yeah, these are definitely, for me, a must have. I'm so glad I got these. So that's all for the sort of review and detail part of the video. Keep watching to see them on foot, and after that, that's it for today. So thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please do give it a thumbs up if you did. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more. I'm definitely going to be doing a lot more sneaker releases videos and sneaker unboxing. You can also check me out on Instagram at @MaitaneyAffleck, and my blog www.maitaneyAffleck.co.uk if you want to. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Perfect. Perfect.